OMG. Napanganga ako doon. Nganga.
Like literally. Napanganga si Bea. Diba?
On a scale.
Tsaka gaano kasarap ang boyfriend na ninakaw mo sa best friend mo.
Diba? Good Lord.
That was savage.
Yan yung mga talagang
savage.
nag-ahanap ng
away.
Yan mga tipong, ano gusto mo? Away o gulo? Alright, so there you go. The top 10 adult slumbook questions. If you want to join us, go ahead and tweet us. Twitter.com/RX931. Please include hashtag The Morning Rush and hashtag adult slumbook questions in all your tweets.
Chico, Gino, and Bea.
Good morning, everybody. Bea here for the Monster News. Last one for the show. All right. As we know, it is one of J.K. Rowling's great traits to respond to fans' questions on Twitter. And just the other day, she answered a very important question. Somebody tweeted at J.K. Rowling, will you tell us the piece of information that you told Alan Rickman about Snape, or will that be forever a secret? Now, of course, we do know Alan Rickman just passed away last week after a battle with cancer. And she revealed that she had given him insight to his Harry Potter's character, Hidden Complexity, before anyone else. She said, I told Alan what lies behind the word always. Why is your mic off? Oh, there you go.
Because you didn't turn it on.
Do you get it?
Yeah.
This is great information.
Okay. No, I get it.
Yeah. But then I keep forgetting though, because I'm not a big Harry Potter fan. I just know what always means. And I know,
so that's how he lured Alan Rickman into playing.
No. Like he knew, like he was the one who knew before everybody else. You know what I mean?
Yeah. No, because if I'm not mistaken, I read somewhere that like originally it was a character that Alan Rickman didn't like really feel like playing.
I see.
But when Alan Rickman had asked J.K. Rowling about it, J.K. Rowling had said, even before, like, I think this was like 3 books into the series.
Yeah, because like it came, the books came like after, like one after
one.
Yeah, it wasn't
exactly.
just like,
So, J.K. Rowling, upon the 3rd book palang, had already told Alan Rickman na parang, I can't tell you exactly what's going to happen.
Right. But this is the
here's
essence.
what I can promise. Na parang Snape is a hero.
I see. Well, there you go. I just think it's really nice. The feels indeed, and it's really nice how she. I love her on Twitter because she really does.
Yeah, she really does reply,
and she goes through like all of the tweets.
Yeah, and I loved how like when she replied to Neville Longbottom. Remember how Neville had that underwear ad, and like she was thoroughly disturbed.
She was just like, put some clothes on.
Now go and put some clothes on.
I know, it's wonderful. Well, there you have it. That was the Monster News. Rico and Karen coming up next, and of course Monster News all throughout the day.
Monster Radio RX 93.1. All right, it's almost time for us to go. But before we do that, let's just do a quick batch of final greetings.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's just say hello to the Dark Lab, who's just saying good morning. And we'll get to those podcast things in just a little bit. Ronaldo Quino also just saying good morning. Let's also just say hello to Hearthstone. Don't get it. Anyway, Espejo was just saying thanks